Watching the sunset. Beautiful. All right. It's the last day of January 2026. We just went for a small walk. We were watching the sunset. And I wanted to talk to you guys about something. Have you guys ever seen these? Well, we got one on our property. Been here my whole life. You ever just wondered about it? We used to call it the Moon Tower. We used to call it that because we used to love that movie, Dazed and Confused. Doesn't light up though. But the size of this thing, I don't like standing underneath it. Gives me the heebie-jeebies, freaks me the hell out. But we're gonna look at it today. I'm gonna take you to it. You can hear the power just vaulting through these lines. Sometimes it's really loud. You read this sign right there, I don't know if you can read it. It says danger, high voltage, keep off. It's got those spikes on it. I don't know what those are for. Educate me if you know. I imagine it's to keep people from climbing on it. I'm not sure actually. But they're all over, about 10 feet up in the air. It's got these spikes on it. If you look over here, wow, there's some ladders periodically going up it. I would never try to climb this. You would have to be insane. When I was a kid, I used to play around this thing. But there's some pegs right there where you can get up. Oh God, freaking me out. I'm scared of heights. Anyway, I thought this was cool. It's got some big concrete legs. It's got 4 of them. I don't even like standing underneath this thing, I'll be honest. Freaks me out. 4 big concrete legs. I'm looking up the center there. Wow. It is very tall and it's still got lines. And those lines run for hundreds and hundreds of miles. And it goes that way. They even have part of the orchard cut out down there for these wires. When they come through here and work on this with the wires, they come through with a helicopter and a guy is attached to a cable hanging from a helicopter. It's pretty wild. Imagine the hazard pay, or the pay that guy gets, is astronomical. As you can see, it's pretty wild. These transport, I don't know how many, hundreds of thousands or millions, who knows, billions even, I don't know, of kilowatts voltage across the state. And if you can see, I don't know if you can, but they go on forever in each direction. And as you see, they go that way as well. It's pretty wild. Pretty wild. I can't even capture it in the frame. But I just thought it was neat and wanted to show it to you guys. So it's getting dark. I just wanted to shoot a quick video. Going for my walk. My daily walk. I've been doing bad at going twice a day. I've been going once a day, but not quite twice a day. I wanted to show you some stuff that's on the property here. As you can see, they cleaned up these rows pretty good. You know, they're keeping them clean. Harvest will be here before we know it. These trees looking really good. Rows looking really good. My wife is at home organizing. We got new couches coming tomorrow. So she's getting everything ready to make room for them. Anyways, just wanted to do a semi-short video, show you some cool stuff on the property. And I will catch you guys on the next walk. Bye.